So technically, if you want to play or listen to YouTube in the background on your Android phone, you'll need the YouTube Premium subscription. Or that's how Google designed it. But there is an easy workaround that allows you to play YouTube videos in the background. And long story short, you can do it through a browser. Technically, you could use any browser for this, but I've noticed either Firefox or Brave work the best. Chrome could technically do it too, but my Chrome tends to launch the YouTube app every time I go to youtube.com. And that's not what we want. I'm going to go into Firefox, and you're going to download it from the Play Store if you haven't already. And then I'll just go to youtube.com. If your phone asks if you'd like to open the YouTube app instead, hit Cancel, because we specifically do not want to use the YouTube app for this. Once you're on youtube.com, you'll just find the video you want to play in the background. Music, podcasts, whatever, doesn't matter. Once the video is open and playing, you'll tap the three dots in the bottom right corner and choose Desktop Site. This will reload the video using the desktop version of YouTube. Different browsers will have this setting in slightly different places, but usually it's under the Settings menu, similar to this. Once you have your desktop site playing the video, you'll exit the browser and return to the home screen. Your music might pause when you do this, and if it does, you'll swipe down from the top left corner to view your notification shade, and you'll see this little playback control with the video you just loaded. Mine kept playing when I left the browser, but if yours didn't, you'll just hit play and you're all set. Now you can do other stuff on your phone while the video keeps playing in the background. And that's how you play YouTube videos in the background. Click that like button if this helped, leave a comment, and yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.